students, in previous class the cell structures are also completed in previous class, differences between the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells and differences between the animal cell and plant cell also. Animal cell and plant cell and the prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells, prokaryotic cell structure and eukaryotic cell structure, and different types of cell organelles are also present in prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes, and normally cell organelles are present in normally eukaryotic cell structure. In prokaryotic cell structure, cell organelles are absent. In only some type of some plants or some prokaryotic cells, the one or two cell organelles are also present. The cell organelles are also present in eukaryotic cell structure. Different types of cell organelles are also present, and they are also used in the different types of metabolic activities. For example, the endoplasmic reticulum. First one is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, the cell organelle is endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum cell organelle is present in eukaryotic cell structure. Present in eukaryotic cell structure. For example, this is the endoplasmic reticulum. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum appears like a thread-like structure. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum appears like a thread-like structure. Thread-like structure. This is appears like a thread. Endoplasmic reticulum is appears like a thread-like structure. This is present at the total thread-like structure, and they attach it to the plasma membrane. The endoplasmic reticulum is attached to the plasma membrane and attached to the nucleus and attached to the Golgi bodies also. Attached to the Golgi bodies also. This is appears like a net-like structure. Net or thread-like structure. Appears like a net or thread-like structure. They are connected with the endoplasmic reticulum is connected with nucleus and connected with the plasma membrane of the cell wall, and they acts, the endoplasmic reticulum is acts like a secretory cell organelle, acts like a secretory storage, and the secretory storage, circulatory nervous system of the cell. Nervous system of the cell. Secretory, storage, circulatory and nervous system of the cell. The endoplasmic reticulum is acts like a secretory and the storage tissue, and just like a circulatory and nervous system of the cell. Just like a nervous system and just like a secretory and just like a circulatory system of the cell. And this is the endoplasmic reticulum appears like a net-like structure or thread-like structure, and the normally the two types of attached to the plasma membrane and attached to the nucleus membrane is also, and attached to the Golgi bodies also. The endoplasmic reticulum is mainly two types: the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum ER, and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. These two types of endoplasmic reticulums are also occurring. They cell, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum have the ribosomes. These are the ribosomes. Ribosomes are attached to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum. This type of reticulum is called as rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. And smooth endoplasmic reticulum smooth endoplasmic reticulum. The smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are absent. Ribosomes are completely absent in smooth endoplasmic reticulum. In smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes are completely absent, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are present. Ribosomes are present in the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Normally, the ribosomes are 70S ribosomes and 80S ribosomes are also present. The endoplasmic reticulum, the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is participate in the synthesis of lipids. Lipid synthesis. Lipid synthesis. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is participate in the lipid synthesis, and the rough endoplasmic reticulum consists of the ribosomes. Ribosomes. These are small ball-like structures are called as ribosomes. Normally, the ribosomes are two types of ribosomes: 70S ribosomes and 80S ribosomes. Two types of ribosomes are attached to the. Normally, in two types of ribosomes are present in cells, and 80S ribosomes are present in eukaryotic cell structure. In eukaryotic cells, 80S ribosomes are present. In prokaryotic cells, 70S ribosomes are present. 70S ribosomes are present in prokaryotic cells, and 80S ribosomes are present in eukaryotic cells. For example, in bacteria, 70S ribosomes are present in bacteria. They are 70S ribosomes are present in bacteria, but endoplasmic reticulum is absent. Only ribosomes are present. These ribosomes and the endoplasmic reticulum, rough endoplasmic reticulum, the ribosomes are mainly participate in the protein synthesis. Mainly participate in the protein synthesis. The rough endoplasmic reticulum is participate in protein synthesis, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum is participate in lipid synthesis. And normally the endoplasmic reticulum is also have the three forms are occurring in endoplasmic reticulum. Three forms are occurring in endoplasmic reticulum, and some type of enzymes are also present in endoplasmic reticulum. For example, ATPase, glucose 6-phosphate, ATPase, glucose 6-phosphate, ATPase. Some types of enzymes are also present in the endoplasmic reticulum. The glucose 6-phosphate, for example, this is the participate in Krebs cycle, and the ATPase. This is also participate in electron transport. In some type of enzymes are also present in endoplasmic reticulum. They are also participate in respiration process. And mainly the three forms are present in endoplasmic reticulum. First one is lamellar form. First one is lamellar form. Lamellar form. And second one is vesicular form. Vesicular form, lamellar form, vesicular form, and third one is tubular form. Tubular form. Mainly three forms are present in the endoplasmic reticulum: lamellar form, vesicular form, and tubular form. Lamellar form, vesicular form, and tubular form. These three types of forms are also present in endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. And the mainly two types of endoplasmic reticulums are also occurring: the rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Mainly the smooth endoplasmic reticulum main function is the lipid synthesis, and rough endoplasmic reticulum main function is the protein synthesis. Ribosomes are attached to the endoplasmic reticulum, and these ribosomes are participate in protein synthesis. Normally two types of ribosomes are occurring in the normally cells: 80S ribosomes and 70S ribosomes. 80S ribosomes are present in eukaryotic cell structure, and the 70S ribosomes are present in prokaryotic cell structure. Prokaryotic cell structure. This is a normally endoplasmic reticulum. Normally three forms in endoplasmic reticulum: lamellar forms, vesicular forms, and tubular forms. This is the endoplasmic reticulum. And next cell organelle is Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies or Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Golgi complex. Golgi complex, and this is also called as Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus. And the normally Golgi apparatus are mainly these are also one type of cell organelles. These are also one type of cell organelles. For example, you see the Golgi apparatus. This is the Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus. These are called as cisternae. These are called as cisternae, and this is also called as lumen. This is also called as lumen, and these are new vesicles. And sometimes these structures, newly vesicles are also occur. Newly vesicles, apply formed vesicles. And this is the Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex. Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex, and this Golgi apparatus or Golgi complex is also present in eukaryotic cells. Golgi complex is also present in eukaryotic cells. In Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus are also present in eukaryotic cells, and these are made up of flattened and pouches like structures. This is also appears like a flattened structure. This is also flattened structure, appears like a just like a flattened and pouches like structure. And mainly the Golgi bodies are participate in the protein and lipid synthesis. Golgi bodies are mainly participate in the protein and lipid synthesis. Normally the Golgi bodies have the 4 to 8 cisternae. 4 to 8 cisternae. Normally the Golgi bodies have the 4 to 8 cisternae. In some type of plants or some type of cells, many cisternae are also present, and the vesicles are also present. The vesicles are formed from the cisternae, and these are the vesicles, and these are the newly formed vesicles. This is the Golgi bodies. Golgi bodies are also present in normally eukaryotic cell structure, plants and animal cells, and the cisternae are present in middle empty places called as lumen, and vesicles are also formed. The main function is the synthesis of lipids and proteins. And this is a flattened like structure. And normally 4 to 8 cisternae are present in Golgi platelet, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, and sometimes more than 8 cisternae are also present in the Golgi complex. This is the Golgi complex, and next one we will see the chloroplast. Chloroplast, already you see the chloroplast in photosynthesis process. In chloroplast, for example, this is the main chloroplast main synthesis. Main function is the participation of the photosynthesis process. For example, this is the chloroplast, the outer membrane and inner membrane. The normally Golgi bodies, endoplasmic reticulum, and the chloroplast, mitochondria, these are also have the outer membrane and inner membrane. The middle of the outer and inner membranous space is also present. This is the outer membrane, and this is the inner membrane. Outer membrane, inner membrane, and the small plate-like structures are also present. These are also called as thylakoids. Small petri dish or plate-like structures are also present in chloroplast. These are also called as thylakoids. Thylakoid membranes consist of the chlorophylls. These are also called as thylakoids. The total structure, thylakoids are arranged just like a group-like structures, one by one. The plate and the group of thylakoids is called as grana. Group of thylakoids are also called as grana, and the total internal structure inside of the inner membrane, this fluid-like structure, this is called as matrix. Matrix consists of the cytoplasm, and the 70 ribosomes are also present. These are the ribosomes. Ribosomes are also present, and thylakoids or grana are also present. And this is cytoplasm, outer membrane and inner membrane. The thylakoid membranes are the thylakoids have the chlorophylls. Chlorophylls are present on the membranes of the thylakoids. And the chlorophylls, different types of chlorophylls are also present in the membranes of the thylakoids. And the matrix consists of the ribosomes and the cytoplasm, ribosomes, and normally the protein bodies are also present in the matrix. This is the chloroplast. Chloroplast main function is the photosynthesis of the plants. Main function is carbohydrates or food materials are also produced in photosynthesis process. And next we will see the diagram of the mitochondria. Mitochondria. The mitochondria outer space, the outer membrane, the mitochondria, this is the outer membrane. Inner membrane forms the folding like structures. Inner membrane forms the folding like structures. These folding like structures are also called as cristae. Cristae or crista, cristae or crista, and this is the outer membrane. Outer membrane, and the inner membrane forms the folding like structures. Mitochondria. The inner membrane forms the folding like structures. These are also called as cristae. The cristae are the small structures, all small granule like structures. These are called as F1 particles. These are also called as F1 particles or F1 granules. F1 particles or F1 granules, and the inner side the matrix is also present. Inner side of the mitochondria, matrix is also present. The outer membrane, inner membrane, cristae, and F1 granules. The F1 granules and the mitochondria consist of the mainly participate in the respiration process. Mainly participate in the respiration process, glycolysis, Krebs, and electron transport. These three cycles are also seen in mitochondria: glycolysis process, respiration process, and electron transport. These three cycles in mitochondria, and normally in glycolysis process in matrix, and the F1 particles are also participate the cristae, and F1 granules are also participate in electron transport, the Krebs cycle and electron transport. And the normally 70S ribosomes are also present in mitochondria, and this is the mitochondria organelle, mitochondria structure, and the mitochondria is the main organelle in eukaryotic cells. And these are the different types of organs. And ribosomes are also two types of ribosomes. In the two types of ribosomes are present in cells: 70S ribosomes and 80S ribosomes. The 70S ribosomes are present in prokaryotic cells, and 80S ribosomes are present in eukaryotic cells. Ribosomes main function is ribosomes are participate in protein synthesis in eukaryotic cells. These are the different types of cell organelles, and vacuoles are also present in the normally the cells: endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, Golgi complex, and the mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, and the vacuoles are also present in cell. The main functions are the mitochondria is mainly participate in respiration process, chloroplast is participate in photosynthesis process, and the endoplasmic reticulum is participate in the protein synthesis and lipid synthesis, and Golgi bodies are also participate in lipid synthesis. These are the different types of organelles are also participate in different types of metabolic activities. And in next class we will see the nucleus and nucleolus, and DNA and RNA. And ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు ఆల్రెడీ జువాలజీలో ఇవన్నీ కంప్లీట్ అయిపోయాయి, కానీ నేను మామూలుగా ఫండమెంటల్స్ లాగా జస్ట్ లైక్ చెప్తున్నాను. ఆల్రెడీ ఇన్ జువాలజీ సిలబస్ the nuclear membrane, cell wall, plasma membrane, cell organelles, DNA, RNA, chromosomes, mitosis and meiosis. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మీకు బాటనీ జువాలజీ రెండిట్లలో ఉన్నాయి. ఆల్రెడీ నేను ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్లో సెల్ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ అండ్ సెల్ వాల్ స్ట్రక్చర్ కూడా చెప్పేశాను. And plasma membrane zoology lo completed. In plasma membrane fluid mosaic model, Robertson model, Singer and Nicholson model. This is the plasma membrane models. And cell wall and inside of the cell wall plasma membrane is present, and plasma membrane structures are also completed in zoology syllabus, plasma membrane models. And next one, the cell organelles. These are the different types of cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cells. In next class we will continue the nucleus and nucleolus.